Did you know that you can make a decent income online by typing on your computer? I'm not talking about content writing, freelancing, or writing books. I'm referring to the field of transcription. Transcription involves converting audio or video files into written text, and there are numerous transcription companies that connect you with clients who need transcription services. Here's how it works. Clients send you the audio or video files they want transcribed, and as a transcriptionist, it's your job to type what you hear and send it back to them. In exchange for your work, the transcription company pays you. According to reports, some professional transcriptionists earn over $300 per week by taking transcription jobs from various websites. One of the great things about these jobs is that many of them accept international applicants as long as they have English language skills, which is likely the case if you're watching this English-speaking video. Another advantage is that transcription work can be done from the comfort of your home with just a laptop. You won't have to directly interact with anyone or participate in video calls with a boss. Experience and expertise are not major prerequisites either. As long as you have good English comprehension and a reasonable typing speed, you can succeed as a transcriptionist. One of the best aspects of transcription is the flexibility it offers. You can work at your own pace without being tied to a fixed schedule or having to clock in and out of work. The top 5 on our list is Revcom, a well-known platform for both getting your audio transcribed and becoming a transcriptionist to transcribe other people's content. On the main page of Rev, you'll notice their focus on capturing an audience interested in transcription and captioning services. They charge their clients $1.50 per minute for transcription. While this is an attractive rate for transcriptionists, it's important to note that you won't actually earn the full $1.50 per minute. Let's take a closer look at how much you can expect to earn from Rev. To find information about becoming a freelancer, you'll need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. It may be a bit tricky to locate, but once you reach the bottom, you'll see a Become a Freelancer button. Click on it, and it will direct you to the sign-up page where you can join and start earning with Rev. As mentioned earlier, they emphasize the ability to create a flexible work schedule, allowing you to work at your own pace without being tied to a fixed schedule or the need to clock in and out. It's great to see that they highlight this aspect for potential transcriptionists. Revcom offers weekly payments through PayPal, which is convenient for most users. The pay rates for transcription work range from 30 cents to $1.10 per audio-video minute transcribed. By transcribing around 10 minutes of content per hour, you can earn approximately $10 to $11 per hour at a slower pace. However, as you improve your skills and transcribe 15 to 20 minutes of content per hour, your earnings can reach around $16 per hour or more. Captioning work pays slightly higher on the lower end due to the additional skills required. When considering the pros and cons of working with Revcom, it's worth noting that the exclusive payment method through PayPal may not suit everyone. Moreover, due to the high demand for remote work opportunities, new applicants may experience a longer waiting period for acceptance, sometimes taking months to receive a response. Nonetheless, Revcom is generally regarded as a reliable platform for generating a steady income, with many transcriptionists making several $100s per week. Coming in at number 4 on our list is Crowdsurf, at Crowdsurf Work. Crowdsurf offers a slightly different approach to transcription, making it more convenient for transcribers. They provide shorter audio or video files, so you don't have to tackle lengthy transcriptions. Their website offers a clear perspective for transcribers and an easy-to-locate join button, eliminating the need to search for the application process. One significant advantage of Crowdsurf is that they accept transcribers from the United States, Canada, and internationally. This means you can work with Crowdsurf from almost anywhere in the world. However, it's important to note that proficiency in English is crucial, as it is their primary language for transcription. Additionally, having good typing speed is essential. On the application page for the US and Canada, the payment ranges from 3 cents to 20 cents per media minute. The payment rate is relatively lower compared to a site we mentioned earlier, called Rev. However, Crowdsurf stands out in terms of quick acceptance into their workforce. Typically, they approve applicants faster than Rev, allowing you to start earning money sooner. Now, let's discuss the cons and drawbacks of using Crowdsurf. Some users find the website's user interface poor and difficult to navigate, which can be a downside. Another significant drawback is that when working for Crowdsurf, you'll be competing with individuals who are also working on Amazon Mechanical Turk, MTurk. Crowdsurf hires workers from MTurk as well. This means if MTurk workers complete the jobs before you, there will be fewer available tasks for you to transcribe, resulting in reduced earnings. Competing with other workers often leads to lower pay for everyone involved, making it a major con of Crowdsurf. The third site on our list is SpeechPad. On their website, you'll initially see information from the perspective of a buyer. To apply as a transcriber, you need to scroll down to the bottom and click on Interested in being a transcriber. Learn more about our team. SpeechPad offers a pay range of 25 cents to $2.50 per minute of transcription. While the higher end of the pay scale is quite attractive, it's important to note that not all jobs will fall into that range. Similar to the other platforms mentioned earlier, SpeechPad emphasizes the flexibility of working whenever you want, which is a significant advantage of transcription work. However, SpeechPad pays its transcribers twice a week, which is a faster payout frequency compared to other websites. It's worth mentioning that they exclusively use PayPal for payments. If PayPal is not available in your country, this may be a downside. There are a few cons associated with SpeechPad. Like Crowdsurf, SpeechPad also hires workers from Amazon Mechanical Turk, resulting in increased competition among transcribers. Number 2 on our list is GoTranscript. Their website has a clean and appealing design, and like other platforms, they target individuals in need of transcripts for their videos or audios. To join as a transcriber, we need to scroll all the way down until we find the Join Us as a Transcriber section. Scrolling further down, we come across some impressive statistics provided by GoTranscript. They offer a payment of up to 60 cents per video or audio minute transcribed. While this falls within the middle to lower range of transcriptionist payments, it's worth noting that GoTranscript displays average monthly earnings as well as the highest earning potential. On average, people earn around $150 per month, but those who actively work on GoTranscript can make up to $1,200, which is quite remarkable. GoTranscript offers payment through both PayPal and Payoneer, ensuring convenient options for receiving payment. They also accept applicants from various locations, as they have a need for transcriptions in different languages. This makes it possible for international individuals to work with GoTranscript and earn a decent income, even if they are not based in the United States. Now, let's move on to number 1 on our list, and I believe I've saved the best for last. This transcription site is highly regarded and stands out among the others. Many reports suggest that people have casually made $50 daily using this platform, while experienced transcriptionists claim to earn $20 to $50 per hour. These are significant earnings, making it a top choice. On the ThreePlayMedia website, you'll find a focus on catering to individuals in need of transcriptions. To apply as a transcriptionist, scroll all the way down and click on the job section. From there, select the freelance transcriptionist job. One notable feature is that you can choose to specialize as an English or Spanish transcriptionist, covering 2 of the most popular languages. While they may not offer as many language options as GoTranscript, having these 2 major languages is a significant advantage. One of the main reasons why this platform is considered one of the best is because it generally offers higher pay compared to other sites. As mentioned earlier, some individuals are making $50 daily or even $50 hourly on this website. Long-term users have reported earning around $20 per hour. Additionally, they provide weekly payments, which is a common practice among transcriptionist websites. Another advantage of ThreePlayMedia is the relatively quick acceptance process. The application typically takes about 15 to 20 minutes, and they promptly evaluate if you're a good fit for their team. However, let's discuss the cons. While this site is highly regarded, it's worth noting that there might be slightly less work available compared to other platforms. The reason behind this is that since they pay transcriptionists more, they also charge higher rates to clients seeking transcriptions. As a result, they may receive slightly fewer job requests. It's a trade-off for the higher pay offered. I appreciate the opportunity to compile this list for you, providing transparent information about the pros and cons of each website. Remember to find joy in earning some extra money, and let's get to work. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video, and have a great day. See you soon.